Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Black Ops 2 unhandled exception COD error you are experiencing on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in apps and features. Best match should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. In the apps list field, type in C++. Any entry in here, you want to select the three-dotted icon next to it and select Modify. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt, and then select the Repair option. And then, like I said, do that for all the entries in here with Microsoft Visual C++ and the name of it. Then restart your computer. Once that's done, go ahead and open up a web browser. Type in DirectX, go ahead and search for it. One of the best results should be a Microsoft domain. This is DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the orange download button. And once it's on download, go ahead and run the file. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And then you want to follow along with the directions here. You want to accept the agreement and then select next. I'm going to uncheck the option to install the Bing bar and then select next again. And then select next. And once it's done, go ahead and select finish and then restart your computer. And there you go. Hopefully now if you attempt to launch Black Ops, you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.